Why do 90% of tech enthusiasts love swarm robots? Because they're revolutionizing attack and defense strategies. Swarm robotics is all about coordination. Think of it as a beehive, but with robots. These tiny robots communicate and cooperate to achieve a common goal. In attacks, they can overwhelm targets by moving in synchrony, like a school of fish. For defense, they create barriers or surround a threat, making it hard for intruders to break through. The secret sauce? Algorithms. These algorithms allow each robot to react to its neighbors, ensuring seamless teamwork without a central command. It's like having 1,000 brains working as one. Swarm robotics is paving the way for smarter, more efficient tech solutions in both military and civilian applications. So next time you see a group of robots, remember, teamwork makes the dream work.